how to delete a Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to delete your Spotify account, head over to the app and then go to your profile in the top left corner and then go to settings and privacy. Now, go to account and then you can see at the bottom to delete your data permanently, close your account, just tap on it and then you'll be redirected to a new page. Now you'll need to scroll down and then continue to close your account. Now, you can see that when you close your account, you lose access to the account and management settings, your saved music, podcasts, and playlists, even your purchase contents, and your followers. And again, your username cannot be used again. So you just need to uh, tick on I understand this and then continue to close your account. And then that's it. After that, your account will be deleted permanently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.